Now the question arises, usually it comes, that find out a given number, find out rational numbers, 3 rational numbers between these two given numbers, like 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So step number 1, take their LCM, and I hope you know how to find out the LCM of denominator. 3 and 5 will give us 15. Yes, so write down 15, and here also 15. How much? Yes, 5 times. So multiply by 5, it gives 10. How many times? Yes, 3 times. So it will become 12. So just need to write down after 10 and before 12. So 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15, 12 upon 15. So this is just one number that you got. But if in case question comes to find out 10 numbers, then what we will do? Just remember, multiply the same number, this given number, by how many times? 10 times. Multiply by 20, multiply by 100. I insist you to multiply by just one more zero. If it is asking 10, multiply by 100. It will not going to cost anything. So just multiply by 100. So it becomes 1000, and this becomes 1500, and this becomes 1200, and it becomes 1500. So what you need to write? You need to write how many 10 numbers between 1000 and it can be 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and it goes on. You can write 1199 is also a number that is below 1200. So the correct answer is this. I hope it is easy for you all. Let me take you another example. So there is another question. Write down rational numbers between 2.5 and 4.5. How many? Suppose you have to write down 20 numbers. So you have to write down 20 numbers between 2.5 and 4.5. So how you can write down? So first of all, change in the form of fraction. It becomes 25 upon 10, and this becomes 45 upon 10. Very easy. As you can see, they are already in like fraction. When they are already in like fraction, how many you have to find out? 20. So I insist you to multiply by a number which is more zeros, like 100, not 10. So multiply both number with the same number. So it becomes 2500 upon 1000 and becomes 4500 upon 1000. So what you need to write down now? A number, only 20 numbers between 2500 to 4500, and it goes like this: 2501 upon 1000, 2502 upon 1000, and it goes on and goes on. You need to write down any 20 numbers for this solution. I hope this type of question is clear. There is one more method. So there is one more method, and this method may seems to be very easy for some and may seems to be very complicated for some. Let's find out. Suppose you have to find out irrational numbers between two given numbers. So I must tell you what are rational numbers. So rational numbers are the numbers that going to give you terminating decimal, or if it is not terminating, it gives a repetitive decimal. So all the questions like between 4 and 5, you have to insert 10 numbers. Very easy question. Between 4 and 5, you have to insert 10 numbers. So very easy method. This is another method, but very easy method. Just write down 4 as 4.0 and 5 as 5.0. Now you can see it is seems like 40 and 50. You just need to write down 10 numbers between 40 and 50. So it can be 41 or 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. So how many are there? This is 5 and one is missing. I think one is missing, and that is 4.10. It can be no. So what we can write? We can write 4.91. Yes, this is the only way to write it. 4.91 is more than 4.9 as well as less than 5. So you have to write down numbers between. You have to write down numbers between 4 and 5. So these are the numbers, as well as these are rational numbers that are between 4 and 5. Let me give you some more tough questions, and if you want to just try it, just you can pause the video. So question is, find out rational number between 4.5 and 4.6. I hope question is clear. You have to insert 10 rational numbers between 4.5 and 4.6. So you can use that fraction method or you can use this direct method. So I hope you have tried it. It is 4.5, it can be written as 4.50, 4.6 can be written as 4.60, and also you can increase one more zero. How many, whatever zeros you want, you can increase. So you need to write down only 10 numbers between 4.500 and 4.600. So you can write 4.501, 4.502, 4.503, and so on. You can write down any 10 numbers between these two. I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to irrationals. So what are irrationals? All the numbers that gives a non-terminating as well as non-repetitive. What does it mean? It means under root 2. If you have tried by yourself, it gives 1.414 something something something, and this number is never going to repeat. Yes, it will never going to repeat, and all the numbers which are not going to repeat and are non-terminating comes in the category of irrationals. So clearly we can say under root prime numbers comes in the category of irrationals. There is one more irrational, that is pi. So pi is irrational. Why it is irrational? Because it also gives a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. It will never going to end. That's why it is also an irrational numbers. Is there any other irrational numbers? There are many irrationals, but for now just remember this pi is irrational, while 22/7 is rational. Why? Because it is giving repetitive decimal. Now let's move on to the type of question that we get on this. Previously we are getting to insert a rational number, and now we are having a question to insert irrational numbers. Irrational numbers between like 2 and 3. So there are two methods. First method, it says under root AB. Under root AB is the method to find out irrational number between these two given numbers. Only one. Suppose the numbers are 2 and 3. So irrational number between these two will be 2 into 3, it is under root 6. Under root 6 is also irrational number between these two given number. These numbers can be anything, rational, irrational, doesn't matter, but you have to insert irrational number. So this is the only formula to find out irrational number between these two given numbers or any other numbers. Suppose the question is insert irrational number between under root 2 and under root 5. So how to solve it? Under root AB, or we can write down under root 2 into under root 5, that's equal to under root 10. Or we can also simplify, this is 2, it becomes fourth root of 10. So it is a number that is irrational as well as it is bigger than root 2 as well as smaller than root 5. I hope you got it, how to find out this irrational number between these two given numbers. Now let's move on to the second method. Same question but second method, because second method is very easy. So if you find out the second one easy, you can try it by yourself. So method number second, you have to insert irrational number between the same given two numbers. So how you can insert given numbers? Just remember, this is 2, you can write down 2.0, and this is 3, you can write down 3.0. So what you have to do to write down irrational number between 2.0 and 3.0. So how you can write down? So what are irrational number? First of all, let me clear you. Irrational numbers are non-terminating, that means it will not going to end, and non-repetitive means it will never going to repeat. For example, 4.02, 002, 0002, 00002, and it will continue. It will not going to repeat because it is after 10, and it is after 20, it is after 30, then 40. What does it mean? It means that it is a non-terminating number as well as a non-repetitive. It will never going to repeat. Same thing we can apply here. So 2.0 we can apply. So 2.01, 001, 0001, 0001, and goes on. That is the first number. Suppose you have to find out more, so you can write down 0.02, 002, 0002, 0002. Suppose you have to find out 10, 20, so you can also increase like this, 0.1, 01, 0001, or something like 2. After 2.9 you can write 01, 0001. That is never going to repeat. So what to do with this? It can be done with the same way, like root 2 can be written as 1.414.